This is the ultimate secret in order for you to attract women. So I'm Joms and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here sa channel ko na to is nagdi-discuss tayo about masculinity, major in relationships, dating, fitness, and other things that can improve you as a man. So today ang di-discuss natin is about how physical fitness can enhance your attractiveness and confidence. So, ano ba yung importansya nito? Because, if you're not dealing with your fitness as serious as possible, tipong pinapabayaan mo yung sarili mo, you will feel sluggish. Kumbaga, wala kang gana palagi. So, gigising ka palagi ng matamlay. Palaging hindi mo gustong bumangon ng kama. So, with that one, alam mo naman yun, kapag masyado kang tumambay sa kama, marami kang hindi na magagawa. So, number 2, is you are neglecting your health. So again, health is wealth. So para saan pa yung pag-aaral mo, para saan pa yung pagtatrabaho mo kung magde-decline naman yung health mo. And number 3 is you're avoiding too much physical activity. So when you're avoiding too much physical activity, ibig sabihin nun, you're not serious about your fitness. So, ano ba yung mga negative impacts nito? So, number 1 is you will miss many opportunities. Dahil nga, sobrang matamlay yung lagi gising mo na wala kang gana, is marami kang mga opportunities na may miss. Number 2, your self-confidence will go down deep. So, dahil nga wala kang ginagawa, lagi ka lang nakahiga, lagi ka lang nasa isip mo, lagi ka lang nag-iisip, is mababaliw ka. Kasi again, walang taong naging confident sa kakaisip lang. It's always about moving. So as man, kailangan natin laging gumalaw. Lagi tayo dapat lumalabas. Because yun naman tayo eh. Yun yung innate sa nature natin. Noong unang panahon, once upon a time, lumalabas yung mga kalalakihan para mag-hunt. Para pumatay ng mga dinosaur, para kainin, pabalik. So if palagi ka lang nakahiga, then hindi ka nag-exercise, you never do anything to improve your physical fitness, then prone ka to anxiety and depression. And number 3 is, ang negative impact nito, you will struggle with health issues. So again, habang bata pa tayo, much better kung makapag-stock up na tayo ng healthy habits. Kasi inevitable hindi natin mapipigilan yung pagtanda. So, dito pa lang, maganda pa, bata pa lang is we are trying to improve our health and fitness. So, kung medyo nasa matandang side ka na, don't worry, it's never too late. Hanggat buhay ka, you can always start your physical fitness. So, bakit ba importante ito? Physical fitness will not only improve your health, but also will improve your appearance and mindset. In which, ang magiging second order effect nito is magiging mas attractive ka sa potential mate. So, when you have a good body, ibig sabihin, you are capable to provide safety and security, in which yun yung isa sa attractive traits na hinahanap ng mga babae. So, ano pa yung mga other benefits nito? Number 1 is you will feel more confident sa mga social settings. Dahil nga maganda yung pakiramdam mo, dahil maganda yung gising mo, you will feel more confident. Mas marami kang makakilalang tao. Number 2, you will attract partners who values health. So, syempre, ma-attract mo rin yung mga taong physically fit din. Yung mga sexy. Mga ganyan. And number 3, you will boost your overall being, physically and mentally. So, that's why, in order for you to have those benefits, is start with your physical fitness. So, paano ba? So, sobrang easy lang na mag-start ng physical fitness. Hindi mo kailangan mag-gym. Ang kailangan mo lang is yung katawan mo. You can always do body weight exercises. Ako, ang ginagawa ko is I'll try to hit yung 3 combo. Basta 3 combo na lang yung sasabihin ko. So, number 1 is push-ups. 100 push-ups. Then next is 100 squats. And then next is 100 na sit-ups. So, ang pwede mong gawin is by set yon, 10 sets and then 10 reps each. And then try to finish that every day. So, with that one, you will start working on your physical fitness para mas maging attractive and confident ka na din. And alam mo na yung kasunod nun. So, if you enjoyed this video and you gain value with this one, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe na rin sa channel ko. And I'll see you on the next one. Marami akong videos dyan. Panoorin nyo na lang. Let's go. Pow!